become more stiff, less motion. Less motion? What happens when you have less motion in a joint? You think? Muscle becomes stronger or weaker? Yes. I like the 99% said weaker. If someone said stronger, I think it was that guy over there. Okay. But you want to keep it weak, you want to keep them strong by having normal motion. You have 7 joints in your neck, almost 8 if you count the occiput. Those joints move freely, they move freely back here, when your head's back where it should be. When it comes forward, the bones want to lock, losing the motion and causing weak muscles. Weak muscles in the neck correlate with tight shoulder and painful muscles down here, because now these muscles here, a leverage system has to hold the head back now. It's working too hard. Okay? The first thing I want people to do and understand that is make these muscles looser on the actual shoulder, the upper trap muscle itself. Okay, the connection to your shoulder, point of your shoulder to the base of your skull. Okay, you want to do that by bringing, in this sense, because right now I'm facing you guys on my left hand side, bring my right hand behind my left ear, left ear. Okay, and then from there, turn your head to your left shoulder, then let the weight of your arm pull your head toward your body. Okay, anyone feel that? Okay, so want the weight of your arm, so let your head come toward your body, so it comes down toward your body. Get the muscles to stretch. It's a rotation with natural flexion coming forward.